How to set up a Facebook business page for Shopify. So, hi guys. First off, all we need to do is to go to our Facebook, and here in our profile or account section, we can simply click on that one, and here we can see all profiles. Now, below, we can see all pages. And in your pages section here in the left hand side, we can see create new page. So simply click on that one. However, I have already created a page for my Shopify account. So this is Moonstar. The first thing that we need to do is to upload an image of our Shopify account. All right, so this is our logo basically. So let's edit the picture out and upload that one. Okay, and let's add this one. Okay, all we need to do is to save this one out. And there you have it. We have our logo ready. So next is to set up your page for success, basically. So start selling from Moonstar in a few steps. So you can actually click on get started or learn more if you want to go through it step by step. However, I'm going to show it to you step by step. So here in the left hand side, we can see our manage pages and profile section. So in this section, we can actually click on our news feed. So here we will see our like timeline, and we can create a post, video, reel, and also get messages in this section. Okay, next we have our messenger tools. All right. So basically, you can create posts with Messenger. You could also like set up conversation starters and add the Messenger button on your profile, basically. Okay. So if you want to create an ad, simply click on create ad in here. All right. So for conversation starters, people are more likely to message businesses that have set up conversation starters. So let's click on setup now, and it will route us to our Meta Business Suite. So here we have our instant reply, frequently asked questions, away messages, and identify unanswered messages, and page recommended. So basically, for our instant reply, these are like simple greeting words when a person has been routed to our page, and then we see that a person is interested in our item, perhaps, then we can like have an instant reply to that person or like a greeting to that person once they reach our page. For our frequently asked questions, here these are like some of the informations that we can actually try, so we can try to edit that one. So here we can click on messenger for instance, and then um, we can add a question. All right. Okay, so for question number one, um, example, let's have what items, all right, how many days, okay, let's have this one. How many days will the item be shipped out? Right. Now that would be question number one. In the message section here, you will just type down your answer. You could actually add a media or add a button, and then you can save changes as well. If you want to add another question, simply go to this button here below and add that one out. Okay, so let's just save our changes in here once done. Okay. If you want to turn this on, just click on this button in here beside frequently asked questions. All right. Right, let's not save it for now. Now for away messages, let's click on that one. So for example, you would like to set your business hours, and if someone is um, messaging you not on your business hours, then you can actually type a message. All right, so here's a sample message that we have in here. Thanks for your message. We're away and can respond right now. We appreciate you reaching out. Okay. So in order to turn it on, just click on this radio button and click on on. All right. Now going back to our automations, we can also have identify unanswered messages. So find messages that haven't received a reply. And page recommended, send a message when someone recommends your page. So basically, this is like a thank you message that you would like to send to your customer if they are satisfied, or just for giving the review. Okay, now here you can see the status of your automations, the name, the goal, and the channel as well. So you could also create automation to manage your conversation and workflows in this section. Just click on create automations. All right. Now for planner, we can see here that um like it's a calendar where you can like schedule your stories or schedule when you would be putting up your new products basically, and it will automatically post on that day. Right, so there's weekly and monthly planner view. Okay, next is our ads. Ads are very important, of course, because this boosts our reach to more people. So you can just click on get started if you want to have your ads. So there you can get started with automated ads, get more website visitors, promote your page, get more leads, and get more messages. Okay, so of course, here the most obvious thing that we can have is to promote your page so that people would know more about your brand. So in the insight section, you can see how many people have interacted on your page, basically. So here you can see the audience, feedback, and whatnot. All right. And lastly, we have all tools in here. Okay, so this is where you can manage your billing, business applications, page settings, or whatnot. Okay, now in your Shopify account, once you're done um, setting up your business ad or business page in here on Facebook, you can simply type it in your theme settings. Here we have social media account and just paste in your Facebook page here on Shopify. So why do we need to um, incorporate Facebook page to Shopify? Of course, to gain more customers and to have a wider range and view. Since Facebook is one of the social media platforms where people go into, so we can like generate leads basically with Facebook pages. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and thank you so